你好。
你好。
The bird says 你好. These are tame magpies.
Your cock is named Molandi.
What?
He came
How
from
do you
Molandi.
Molandi.
Yeah.
There we go. And what do these birds represent in Chinese culture again?
Chinese call it 喜鹊.
And it's good luck.
Yeah.
They're good luck.
Yeah. Lucky bird. Maybe bring a good news to your home.
Right. They're pretty friendly. And you have another one.
So you told me that this bird maybe in your country means bird.
Yeah. Well, kind of bad. Yeah.
Coastline.
Yeah.
Molandi. 他衣服太滑了。过去。他知道那个很滑，他的。
It doesn't talk. It can't talk though, eh?
Yeah.
No?
His baby. Maybe after training he can speak and see.
When he gets older.
Yeah. Several months age.
You get them out of the wild, or do you breed
I bought
them?
it in the bird market.
Oh, you buy them in a store.
Molandi.
Can this one fly? Can this one fly?
Kafka. We call his name.
Kafka. Kafka.
Yeah. Oh.
Kafka.
Give him some water. Kafka. Oh. 他很会转头。Oh. Yeah. He don't like to stay in the cage.
No?
Yeah, he like to stay on your finger and hand and the shoulder and head.
Right. And the magpie is in the dish now, pecking around.
Yeah, the small one. Molandi! This is Molandi. 你跟他说 another one sleep now.
Oh yeah.
你好。Oh.